I'm Zoe, I'm a potter, and today I'm teaching 3 legendary athletes some pottery as part of the In Bioglan Balance campaign. So we're going to see how they find balance in their everyday lives.
I'm Kelly Smith, a retired footballer. I used to play for Arsenal in England. I had a fantastic career, played in America for 7 years professionally, played in 2 World Cups, 4 Euros and the 2012 Olympics.
And Kelly, what does balance mean for you?
Balance is important in my life. I have 2 kids, 7 and 5, so they occupy a lot of my time, so I like to book out at least 2 hours a week and just switch off and relax. Simple things, but I think that's important for my well-being.
What Bioglan supplements are you taking?
So I'm taking the Bioglan family multivitamin Vita gummies. They have key vitamins to support overall well-being. When I was playing, the exercise scientists gave us supplements to help with our performance, to get that 1 or 2% extra gain, to make you feel and perform better. I think it's important to get the right vitamins into your body, even though I'm now retired, but just to look after my mental well-being, have a healthy lifestyle that I want to lead.